Hey there, my fellow Scorpios! Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here. To all my soul family and soul tribes, thank you for passing by and watching my videos. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And for some of you guys, it could not be your energy. Take only what fits in your story and leave the rest behind, okay? I would like to remind you to please use your own discernment. It's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What does Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Show me the cards that I need to see, please. Give me the accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Just a minute. So my beautiful souls is Scorpio. Let me see your card readings for today, guys. First, we have the Nine of Swords. We also have the Death, the Lovers, the Queen of Wheels, the Knight of Swords, the Four of Swords, the Two of Cups, with the Four of Wands, the King of Swords, the High Priestess, the Wheel of Fortune. And at the bottom of the deck, we have the Magician. I will pick one card for your bonus, the Chariot. So my beautiful souls is Scorpio. Let me clarify your readings for today, guys. Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And for some of you guys, it could not be your energy. So take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? The first foundation of your reading is the Nine of Swords. This is a Gemini energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. For some of you, you are worrying about the future. Others of you, it could also be that you have too much overthinking. Could also be related to your work or in your family. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, is Scorpio. Others of you, it could also be that these are the group of people in the past with whom you are dealing with. This group of people who did you wrong in the past, who mess you up. These are the backstabbers, the manipulators, the gossipers, the people who are betraying you, the people who are spreading lies about you, the people who are praying for your downfall, the people who are mock you down. And I feel like this group of people now are feeling confused. For some of them, guys, it could be that they have an insomnia, they have a sleepless nights, they have a mental anguish. And I feel like their guilt eating them out. Could also be in your workplace, this group of people. Could also be that this group of people are still spreading lies about you. And I feel like this group of people now are feeling confused because you distance yourself from this group of people. Others of you, you cut off the ties of these people. You block also in your social media and in your mobiles. It's because this group of people brought you too much pain in your heart and in your mind. I hear that for some of these people are doing black magic on you because they want to destroy you because of envy and jealousy. Because this group of people aren't happy with their own lives. And that's why they doesn't want you as well to be happy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Because hurt people hurt people. It could also be that they are intimidated with your aura. It could also be that this group of people doesn't want you to shine because I feel like they saw you that you have a strong aura. And that's why envy and jealousy occurs with these people. Could be as well that these people is in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, or in the community. Could also be that this is your ex, so embodied the energy of a Gemini. Not necessarily a Gemini, could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And this group of people now are receiving their own karma for what they have done to you. Because they tried to destroy you. And I feel like they never succeed. And that's why they end up with their own confusion and entrapment. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the death. You look. Sorry guys, the death. You look. You are no longer dealing with this group of people anymore. You give death to this situation because you are no longer dealing with the people who are no longer serve you in the past, who are not worthy of your energy. Could also be that these are the group of people in your workplace. You give death because you transform into a higher level. For some of you guys, there is a loss and separation here, an unexpected ending or an upheaval. It could also be that if you are married, there is a separation or a divorce happen in this scenario. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You managed to close, to end up these people who causes too much pain, too much burdens in your life. You give death and you transform into a higher level. I feel like for some of you, it is painful to separate with these people because I feel like for some of these people are the people in your family and you love these people, but this group of people are no longer serve you for your highest good because they are praying for your downfall. They tried to destroy you. Could also be in your workplace. That's why you managed to give death with this scenario. This is the major transformation in your life. This is the metamorphosis. And you are not the same person before, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And you will not come back with this group of people again. Because you give death with this group of people. You transform into a higher level. The metamorphosis of your life is painful but beautiful. This group of people thought that they destroyed you, but the truth, they failed to destroy you. And that's why you are no longer dealing with this group of people anymore. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Could also be that you are dealing with the same sign, a Scorpio or Gemini. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. And this is the influences and obstacles in this reading. We have here the Lovers. This is the base of the situation. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your twin flame, a divine counterpart. For some of you, it could also be that you are going to meet this person in Gemini season or in the fall season. Both of you here are divinely guided. Both of you here having a strong attraction with each other, a strong chemistry and sensuality. And this meeting could lead into a platonic and or a romantic relationship. Others of you, it could also be that you are advised here to watch out, because if you are married, there is a temptation here. For some of you, it could also be that this is the right time to make an important choices and important decision in your life. But remember, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, if you are going to make an important choices in your life, you are free of whatever you choose. It's because at the end of the day, you are responsible of your own choices and your own destiny. But in making an important decision in your life, be true to yourself, be honest to yourself, be strong and be wise. And please don't forget that love is the greatest. This is a major decision in your life related to your divine counterpart. Both of you here are marrying each other, and you are both divinely guided as well. Could also be that you have a past connection with this person. This is the reunion of divine feminine and divine masculine. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here, and we have here the Queen of Whales. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart, because this is the Queen of Pentacles. I feel like this is your energy. For some of you, you have a financial success and abundance. It doesn't matter if you are male or female, because in Tarot there is no gender. Others of you, it could also be that you have a financial success and abundance is because of your hard work and or your legacy. Maybe you are, for some of you, a successful business woman or businessman. Could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Virgo, and this person viewed you as having a financial success and abundance. It could also be that this person is in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, or in the community. Could also be your partner, your ex, or a new person. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Others of you, you are already here. You have a financial success and stability. For some of you, you are manifesting this. And this is your near future energy. It will happen around 3 to 6 months. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Knight of Swords. This is an Aquarius energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You are jumping off in a certain conclusion for some of you guys. I don't know what you have. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to think first before you act. You don't have to make an abrupt decision. It's because sometimes it may lead you into trouble. Or it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of an Aquarius. And this person is a very impulsive, immature person. This is very reckless person. This person never think, just taking an action. It could also be that this person heard rumors or gossips, and this person wants to ask or approach you to confront you. I don't know what you have, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be that this person is your ex. Could also be in your family, your friend circle. Could also be in the community or in the workplace. Take only what fits in your story, okay? The universe advises you here to be very strategic, to analyze first a certain situation before you take an action. You don't need to make an abrupt decision. Okay? And we have here the Four of Swords. This is a Libra energy, and this is the past experiences and influences. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like you are advised to rest here. You are advised to recuperate, to rejuvenate. It's because for some of you, you are feeling overwhelmed. Yeah. It could also be that you need to take a rest, to prepare yourself, to engage in a fitness or a yoga. For some of you, you already did. You prepare yourself, you take good care of yourself, you're taking a rest. It's because you realize that your health is your wealth. And to those Scorpio who are not taking a rest, the universe advises you to take a rest, to rejuvenate, to pamper yourself, to engage in a sport or a yoga. Because this is good for your health, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You don't have to work like 24 hours. Maybe you are overwhelmed, feeling overwhelmed. You need to rest and calm your mind, to relax. Maybe there are lots of people who are giving too much burdens in your mind. Could be in your workplace, in your family, could also be in your friend circle or in the community. And that's why you need to rest and calm your mind. Okay? This is your past experiences and influences. And we have here the Two of Cups. This is a Cancer energy. This is the energy in your environment, either at home or in your family. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is related to your soulmate. Soulmate is you have a soul connection with this person. Could be a friend, a family, or a lover. And both of you will meet each other face to face, eye to eye. And I feel like both of you having a duality and you are divinely guided here. It could also be that this meeting will lead into a platonic and a romantic relationship. I don't know what you have, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. But this is the meeting of your soulmate. Maybe you have a soul contract with this person in the past. And both of you having the same chemistry. This meeting will happen, could be on the Cancer season. So take only what fits in your story, okay? And Monday is significant in this reading. We have here your energy and the immediate future. This is the Four of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here wants to settle down, to build a stable and strong foundation and a family. Could also be you or the person you are dealing with, or it could also be this person who embodied the energy of an Aries. This person could be wants to marry you, to engage you, or to settle down, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And I feel like there is a celebration here. It could be an engagement, a wedding, a celebration of the milestone of your success. Could also be a teamwork and collaboration. Could also be a birthday party, an anniversary, a family reunion, clan, or just a simple celebration which composed of your family and the people who are dear to you. Or it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of an Aries wants to build a stable foundation with you, to have a family with you, because this person viewed you as a marriage material. Take only what fits in your story. Either this is your energy or the person you are dealing with. That's because in tarot, the energy could be reversal. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your hopes and fears. This is the King of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. I feel like you are standing in your higher self. You are standing in your authentic, true self. And you are not scared to tell the truth because you knew the truth. You are not also scared to cut off the ties of some people who are not true to you behind your back. Those people who are manipulators. Just a minute. Yeah. Those people who are betraying you, who are playing mind games on you, who are involving you in a love triangle. Those people who are spreading lies about you, because you are very tired. And that's why this is your energy. You are tired and sick with all the lies of the people, especially those people with whom you trusted. And that's why this is your energy. You embody the energy of the King of Swords, because you have a mental clarity, you are strong, and you have a structure in your life, and you are the control of your own life. I feel like there are some people who wants to manipulate you, who wants to play mind games on you. But they couldn't prosper because your mind is as clear as a crystal, and you also knew the truth. Other people viewed you as a cold-hearted person. It could also be that this group of people in the past, you look, the Nine of Swords, you have gone through in your life. That's why you cut off the ties of these people. These people who tried to destroy you in the past. It could also be that these people are still gossiping and spreading lies about you. And that's why you cut off the ties of these people, because you don't want to be attached with these people anymore. Yeah. For some of you, you block these people or this person in your social media and on your mobiles because you don't care with these people anymore. You are very tired and sick. You have gone through. Others of you, you're still seeing these people, could be in your workplace, but you manage to detach your mind with these people. Yeah. You just ignore this group of people. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You are the king or queen of swords because of what you have experienced in the past. Too much painful scenario where people are backstabbing you, lying on you, spreading lies about you, manipulating you, trying to control your life, etc., etc. Because this group of people are not happy with their own lives. Could be they are jealous or envy with your energy and your aura. It could also be with your success. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You are the you are the Queen of Pentacles. You have success and abundance. Plus you are the King of Swords. And you managed to cut off the ties of these people. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Or it could also be that you are dealing with this person who has an authority. Could be a police officer, a military, could also be a lawyer, or a person who has a higher position in the society, who have power, structure, and control. A strong person. I don't know what you are, but I feel like this is your energy. You embody the energy of the King or Queen of Swords. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. You are standing in your higher self. You know the truth, and you believe that the truth will set you free, and that's why you are not scared to tell the truth as well. Take only what fits in your story, okay? This is your hopes and fears. And we have here the final outcome of this reading is the High Priestess. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a water sign like you, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. It could also be other sign, not necessary an air, a fire, a water sign, sorry guys. Or it could also be that this is your energy. Of course, this is your energy because you are very intuitive. You are psychic. For some of you, it could also be that you are having an innate talent, a gift from the universe, and that you have a sacred knowledge, you have a sacred insights, and others of you, it could also be that you are following your intuition, your inner voice. For some of you, it could also be that there is a secret here being revealed, or it could also be that somebody here is keeping secrets towards on you. Could be you or the person you are dealing with. The universe advises you to pay attention to your dreams and to listen to your inner voice, your intuition. It's because I feel like somebody here is keeping secrets, or there is a secret here being revealed. It could also be that this person wants to reveal their feelings towards on you. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Others of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a person who has an initial name of J as Jeken or B as Boaz. The two pillars outside the gate of the King Solomon. I don't know what job. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And you are advised here to pay attention to your dreams, because it could also be that the universe will show you these synchronicities in your dreams. Take only what fits in your story. This is the final outcomes in your reading. And we have here the outside influence, the wheel of fortune. Wow. For some of you guys, this is the major transition in your life. This is the well of life, the rhythm of life, the energy cycles. And I feel like you have here good luck, good fortune, and good karma. It's because the wheel is spinning in your favor. Others of you, it could also be that there are people in your past who are now receiving their karma for what they have done to you. It's because the wheel of fortune is just like the wheel of karma. What goes around comes around. It could also be that you are dealing with a 4 fixed sign: Taurus, Aquarius, Leo, and our fellow Scorpio. And I feel like there is an unexpected or unusual changes here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And the universe advised you to embrace this change. It's because the more you resist, the more your life gets harder. You need to embrace this unusual change. And I know that it is difficult for you because you are a fixed sign. But if you want a change in your life, these changes should start within you, because doing the same things and expecting different results is not a part of changes. I feel like the universe rewarded you with your sufferings. You look, you have gone through. That's why you give death with this painful cycle. You manage to transform. This is your metamorphosis in your life, plus the wheel of fortune. You look, the death, the wheel of fortune, the high priestess, and the magician. Yeah. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the magician, clarifying the outcome of this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo or a Gemini, or you have a Virgo or Gemini in your birth chart. Not necessary. You look, Virgo is double confirmation, the Queen of Pentacles. I feel like you have all the tools needed in your life, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to manifest whatever you want. That's because the swords is the will and the power of your mind. And you have everything under your control. All you need to do is to take an action with these manifestations. That's because if you don't take an action, these manifestations will remain as an illusions. You have everything under your control. Trust yourself, believe in yourself, and sometimes believe in magic as well. You need to trust your journey, to trust and believe yourself that your manifestations will come true. Just take an action. Okay? So take only what fits in your story. And we have here the Chariot, your bonus card. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. I feel like there's a past movements here. For some of you guys, you are going to relocate, or you are going to have to buy a new car. Others of you, it could also be that there is a traveling here. It could also be that for some of you, you are heading towards your victory. You are stepping ahead towards your victory and success, because you overcome your conflicts and you have an inner will and inner strength as well. Others of you, this is related to travel. Could also be that you are going to relocate, or it could also be that somebody will travel towards a new. I don't know what you have, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you, you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. And this is also a good card for you, because there is success and victory here. And this is a past movements. You look, the Magician, you have all under your control. And the Wheel of Fortune, you look, the Magician, the Wheel of Fortune, the High Priestess, the Death, you look, you have too many major arcanas in this reading. 5, and then plus the Lovers, 6. Wow. You have 6 major arcanas in this reading. Yeah. And this is your bonus. Victory, past movements, travel, and or relocation. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, clarify me please the 9 of Swords in this reading. Tell me more about the 9 of Swords here. Show me the cards. Thank you, spirits. The 9 of Swords is clarified as withdrawn. Yeah, you already withdrawn this situation. Yeah, because you give death. Of course, you already withdrawn. You are no longer dealing with this group of people anymore. Yeah, you realize that it's better to be single than to have this group of people. It's better to be alone and in a solitary mood than to be with this group of people who are backstabbing you, who are praying for your downfalls, who are gossiping and spreading lies about you. You already withdrawn. You give death with this situation. You look, and clarify me please the death in this reading. Why the death in this reading? Tell me more about the death here for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the death here, please? Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun. Thank you, spirits. The death is clarified as memories. Yeah, you look, since you give death to this situation, you managed to say goodbye, farewell to this group of people in the past who causes too much pain in your heart, too much burden in your mind. And this group of people now are reminiscing the bittersweet memories with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because you will not come back again to this group of people who backstab you, who tried to destroy you despite of your kindness to them. You look, and now they are reminiscing the bittersweet memories on you. Could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, in your friend circle, or in the community. You give death to this situation, and now this group of people are reminiscing the bittersweet memories with you. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the High Priestess here. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Why the High? Thank you, spirits. The High Priestess is clarified as balance, peace. Yeah, look, for some of you guys, you are finding peace in your life because you are following your intuition. You listen to your inner voice. Others of you, you are advised to listen your inner voice in order for you to achieve peace and balance in your life. You look, harmony and friendship. Others of you, it could also be that you already found your peace, balance, and harmony in your life. It's because maybe you are doing meditations. Could also be that the nature of your job is about spirituality. For some of you, it could also be that you are a spiritual advisor, a tarot card reader, a healer. Could also be that you are a shaman, and you find peace, balance, and harmony in your life. It's because you knew the truth, and now you have peace, balance, harmony in your life. Could also be that you are dealing with this person, embody the energy of a Pisces. Could also be other sign. And this person viewed you, that you have peace, balance, and harmony in your life. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Chariot here. Why the Chariot in this reading? Tell me more about the Chariot here. Why the Chariot here, please? Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Chariot in this reading? The Chariot is clarified as obsession, infatuation. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer. You have a Cancer in your birth chart. Not necessary. And this person is obsessed on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be your new admirer, could also be your ex. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be that this person is planning to travel with you, or it could also be that this person wants to relocate nearer to you. Yeah, and there is a past movements here because this person is obsessed on you. Could be your admirer or your ex. I don't know what job. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Somebody is obsessed on you here. Could be a Cancer, could also be other sign. And clarify me, please, the Lover here. Why the Lover in this reading, please? Show me the cards what I need to see. Why the Love? Thank you, spirits. The Lover is clarified as family. This is your divine counterpart. Both of you will meet each other. You look, both of you are divinely guided here, and both of you wants to have a family. Wow, this is the reunion of the twin flame. I love this card for you. Take only what fits in your story. And clarify me, please. What to clarify? The Magician. Why the Magician here? Tell me more about the Magician here. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the Magician here? The Magician is clarified as, oh my God, escaping, avoiding. You look, escaping, avoiding, blocking, pushing away. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo or a Gemini. And somebody here is escaping, walking away, pushing away. It could also be that you are walking away from this person. Could be a Gemini or a Virgo. You also block this person. It's because I feel like this person is trying to manipulate you in the past. It could also be that this person is not true to you behind your back. This is an illusion. Yeah, that's why you block this person. You are escaping and you are walking away because you don't want to do with this person anymore. Could be a Gemini or a Virgo. You look, you get that to this situation. Could also be that this person is one of this person who cause you too much pain and burdens in your life, and you manage to close this cycle. You give death to this cycle. Could be that you are dealing with either Virgo or a Gemini. You look, take only what fits in your story, okay? Clarify me, please, the Wheel of Fortune here. Why the Wheel of Fortune here? Tell me more about the Wheel of Fortune, please. Why the Wheel of Fortune here? The Wheel of Fortune is clarified as distracted, sidetracked, and chains and delays. Somebody here wants to distract your abundance. Yeah, somebody here tried to create the delays of your abundance. Could be you are dealing with the 4 fixed sign. Could be a Taurus or a Leo. an Aquarius or a fellow Scorpio, and this person or group of people tried to delay your blessings, your abundance, tried to distract your abundance. Yeah, look, take only what fits in your story, okay? But I feel like they couldn't do it, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because this is your time. You look, you have heard the Chariot. This is a past movement towards victory and success. These people could try to block and delay your abundance, your good fortune. You look, but I feel like they couldn't do it because this is your time, and they couldn't block what's God given to you, what's the divine plan for you. Because you look, the Chariot is here. This is victory and success. You are heeding this, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, and this is a past movement. Take only what fits in your story, and that ends your readings for today, guys. I hope you enjoy your reading, and I love your reading as well. Lots of major arcanas. Yeah, look, if this is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share in order to make it grow. I am very thankful and grateful if you do. Until the next time, I am wishing you all have a nice day. I love you all. Bye.